Hello everyone, today we're going to take you on a walkthrough of Chinook, a 2001 Oyster 56, now for sale and located in Mazatlan, Sinaloa, Mexico. This Rob Humphreys design is the most successful Oyster model ever built, striking what many consider to be the perfect balance between size, luxury, and practicality, and is a proven bluewater cruiser. Chinook is a single-owner Oyster 56, commissioned in 2001, built and launched in the Oyster shipyard in the UK. She is just over 57 feet in overall length with a 16¼ foot beam and a draft of 6 feet. Her size provides exceptional safety and comfort for extended cruising and serious offshore passage making, while making features that allow for a couple to confidently manage without crew, as her current owners have done for the past 2 decades. She is extremely well equipped for extended short-handed cruising with triple hydraulic furlers, multiple electric winches, water maker, and everything else you'd expect to find on a yacht built to go anywhere. All standing rigging was replaced in 2015 and is in excellent shape. Her deck is constructed with Oyster's GRP sandwich structure and finished with a beautifully maintained teak deck, all professionally refurbished in 2026. The teak-capped bulwarks were also reconditioned in January 2026, including renewed plugs, sanding, sealing, and fastening work, all contributing to this yacht's well-cared-for appearance. This Oyster 56 has a generous beam carried well aft, a stylish deck salon design, numerous opening port lights, hatches, and vents, and allows for plenty of space to move around freely on deck. The transom includes a built-in swim platform with drop-down bathing ladder, hot and cold freshwater shower, and the hydraulic stainless passerelle with handrails for easy boarding from the stern. With a brand new sail inventory including Ullman mainsail, Genoa, and Code Zero, combined with a strong sail plan, Chinook can knock out 200-mile days without breaking a sweat. As you step aboard and move aft, you'll find a wide aft deck which features a push pit with 2 built-in seats, a separate propane locker, a large lazarette locker at the center line, and 2 more deck lockers in the aft end of the cabin house. Attached to the transom is the hydraulic Whittle dinghy davit system for easy launch and lift of your tender and outboard, up to 220 kilograms. This Oyster is powered by a 110 horsepower Yanmar Marine diesel driving a bronze 3-blade max prop feathering propeller with rope cutter. The large sunken center cockpit is protected by a Sunbrella Bimini and spray hood. Though not shown here, there are also custom-fitted cushions for the cockpit and cushions with backrests for the pushpit seats. Highlights of the deck design are its unobstructed side decks, stainless steel handholds, and lots of sturdy deck hardware for sail trimming and tying lines. The forward deck is huge, with ample space to lounge and move around, with opening hatches and protected door aids throughout, giving light and ventilation to the interior. Chinook also comes with full boat covers, a valuable piece of inventory for keeping the teak decks in good condition in high UV environments. More deck upgrades worth mentioning are the brand new hydraulic furling units installed 2025, the windlass which was replaced in 2016, and the Navtech hydraulic boom vang which was reconditioned just this year. At the bow is the removable stainless steel bowsprit and ground tackle setup with double bow roller, Lumar windlass, and CQR anchor on 295 feet of chain. The anchor chain locker is easily accessed from the 2 deck hatches forward of the windlass. There is also a 10 horsepower bow thruster for added maneuvering convenience. Chinook also comes fully equipped with requisite safety gear, including new self-inflating PFDs, life raft, EPIRB, harnesses, life rings, and ditch bag. The stylish deck saloon has 7 large vertical windows, including 2 opening forward windows, complemented by opening hull ports that provide excellent ventilation. When we go below, you'll find the result is a wonderfully bright and airy living space that feels far larger than most yachts in this size range. All sailing lines are led aft to the cockpit for convenient and safe sail handling. There are a total of 5 Lumar self-tailing winches and 3 electric primary winches. Finally, we step into the spacious and comfortable cockpit featuring full-length seating and a built-in table. The ergonomically designed helm pedestal has everything within easy reach, including autopilot, remote windlass control, bow thruster, engine controls, lighting, and VHF. On each side of the cockpit, there are push-button controls for the hydraulic furling mainsail, genoa, and staysail, as well as controls for the electric primary winches. Again, all are within easy reach of the helm. As you can see, Chinook has been exceptionally maintained over the years and has transited over 38,000 nautical miles, visiting numerous ports throughout Europe and the Mediterranean, North and Central America, the South Pacific Ocean, Australia, and the Caribbean. As we move below on Chinook, you'll be immediately impressed by the expansiveness of the main salon, which serves as the social center of the yacht and is ideally suited for both entertaining and comfortable life aboard. Finished in rich American cherry joinery with Oyster's distinctive millennium styling, the interior offers both a beautiful and functional space. There are sculpted grab rails, elegant shadow gap detailing, custom Oyster hardware, and teak and holly sole boards throughout. To port is a luxurious dining area large enough for entertaining. Outboard, you'll find spacious lockers and an opening port light behind the bookshelf. To starboard is a comfortable settee, a large storage locker, and the custom-mounted TV and entertainment center. Further aft is the forward-facing nav station with all equipment neatly laid out, a generous chart table, bookshelf, and main electrical panel in behind. The main salon also comes with an independent air conditioner for added climate control and comfort. The beautifully crafted dining table features a burr wood inlay and can be configured for occasional use or open into the full oval configuration you see here. It also incorporates a convenient bottle locker within its pedestal base. There is another dedicated stemware and bottle storage area in the locker on the starboard side of the salon. You will also discover a dedicated wine fridge in the starboard aft cabin aft of the nav station. To port and aft of the salon is the pass-through galley with Tuscany Rose Avenite countertops, providing both durability and elegance. Above and below the counters on either side is ample cabinetry with several opening port lights throughout for ventilation and additional light. Inboard, you'll find double basin Avenite sinks with pressurized hot and cold water. There is also a charcoal filter attached to the cold water supply for a final polish and fresh taste. Outboard, you'll find the 4-burner Force 10 gimbal propane stove with oven and grill, a supplemental double-burner induction cooktop, and a combination microwave oven. The refrigeration and freezer systems were upgraded in 2013 and provide separate front-opening fridge and freezer compartments, keeping all counter space clear and available solely for food prep and serving. Also on the inboard side are additional full-length pantries with a built-in waste compactor to further enhance practicality for long-term cruising. From the galley, we move fully aft and enter the spacious, full-beam owner's cabin with large island berth and deck hatch above. There are numerous drawers both below the berth and on either side of the cabin, as well as a large hanging locker to starboard. You'll find a generous amount of natural light fills this space through the deck hatch above, as well as the port lights on either side of the cabin. The owner's private head and shower includes a wash basin, mirror, opening port light above, vacuum flush toilet, and a separate shower stall. With the center cockpit design and 4-cabin configuration, the overhaul layout of the Oyster 56 provides a phenomenal amount of privacy between the owner's cabin and the remaining 3 cabins aboard. You will definitely feel the difference in having the entire aft part of the boat to yourself when sailing with friends, family, or even crew. Now let's pass back through the galley and main salon and move forward to view the additional cabins. To port is a versatile guest cabin with both an upper and lower berth, port lights and deck hatch for light and ventilation, and plenty of storage forward, outboard, and aft. This cabin also comes with a vanity unit and hanging locker for additional storage space. The forward guest head has all of the same amenities as the owner's ensuite head, including a wash basin, mirror, opening port light above, vacuum flush toilet, and a separate shower stall. Fully forward is the inviting VIP cabin with an island queen berth and a dressing seat to starboard. There is cabinetry to both port and starboard, including a full-length hanging locker and a large storage locker below the berth. This cabin has a large deck hatch above and multiple opening port lights for light and ventilation. Lastly, we will make our way back to the fourth cabin, which is located midships to starboard aft of the nav station. This cabin features a single berth with 2 opening port lights and also holds the extra wine cooler for Chinook. If you don't need the extra berth, this space doubles as a useful work area, as you can see, with huge amounts of storage space for items such as tools and spare parts. The onboard automatic washing machine is also located in this cabin. And through the full-length access doors opposite, you will find the engine room, cleanly laid out with everything accessible for regular maintenance. Chinook is well prepared for self-sufficiency with a 7.4 kilowatt Westerbeek generator, 55 amp Yanmar alternator, and 8 brand new house batteries installed just last year, 2025. If you dream about sailing off into the sunset, experiencing all the adventures and beautiful destinations that lie ahead, this Oyster 56 is ready to take you there. We hope you enjoyed this tour of Chinook, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have about making this boat your next great adventure.